Hi guys, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on BIGO Live. So if you've earlier turned on or allowed BIGO Live to access to your location but no longer want that, this is what you need to do. First of all, open up your BIGO Live app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now you can see on the bottom right corner, there's a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. As you tap on the profile icon, you will land on your profile. So scroll downwards, keep scrolling until you find settings. Tap on settings. And here in the settings section, you have different options available to you. Tap on privacy. When you tap on privacy, the very first option you will see is hide location, which says that after turning this on, your location won't appear in profile or your live notification. So since you want to hide your location and not allow people to figure out where exactly are you coming live from or where exactly are you located, you need to turn this on. So simply tap on the button. And here, as you can see, your location has been hidden from people now because hide location has been turned on. So this is how you hide your location on BIGO Live. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.